There you go. Okay, folks, and this is how the contest works. Ernie and Sir James are going to complete the series of tests to see who will be the next winner of the Iron Sea Lion card draw. The basic rule is, whatever Ernie does, Sir James, you need to do it as well. Okay, sir? Kung gagawin mo lang din, kung gagawin ni Ernie, gagawin mo lang din. Kaya. Alright. Okay, Ernie, tell us, are you ready? No? I think officer, he needs some warm up. Warm up. There you go. Wow. Alright, how about a massage? Deeper massage. There you go. And also, back massage. Alright. Okay, Ernie, tell us, are you ready? He is ready. Okay, Sir James, it's your turn to warm up. Warm up na tayo. Ready ka na? Like what I told you, you need to do it what Ernie does. Yes, sir. Hands up here. There you go. And follow my hand. Oh, okay na. And follow my hand. Yan! There you go. And massage. Now, are you ready? Okay, folks. Sir James is ready. Ernie is ready. Let the games begin. Round one. Now let's start easy on you. All you have to do is just like that. Very simple. Just turn and wiggle. Alright, Sir James, it's your turn to turn. 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 Pinay style. Paano dali? Diba? Yan. Ready na sir? Turn! One more. Wheel! Just kidding, just kidding. Okay, round two. Okay, hey, officer, just, can you make it a bit harder to start? Just a little. Wow!